This is a Tomahawk cruise missile. Costs around $2.5 million a pop, and we launched 400 of these at Iran over 72 hours of Operation Epic Fury. That's $1 billion paid by us to Raytheon, blown up in 3 days. And here's what we accomplished. On day one of the U.S.-Israeli war in Iran, February 28th, we blew up a school with a Tomahawk cruise missile, a school full of children. Over 150 young girls killed, each one a daughter, a mother's favorite helper, a father's joy, someone's entire universe, killed in a fireball. We did this. Trump did this. Congress allowed this to happen. Instead of spending billions to take care of our own children, we're using it to bomb, maim, and kill children all around the world. And it's just, we can do better. We have to do better.
Iran just said something the United States never wanted to hear. It declared that only ships buying oil with China's currency, the yuan, will pass through the Strait of Hormuz. This is a huge shock for the US because in the past, Iraqi leader Saddam Hussein also challenged the dollar. He started selling oil in euros instead of dollars. Similarly, Libya's leader Muammar Gaddafi once said that oil in Africa should be traded in an African currency, not in dollars. Both leaders were later removed from power because the US cannot allow oil to be sold in any currency other than the dollar. It would weaken the global power of the dollar. For this reason, the United States established the petrodollar system in the 1970s, so that oil trade around the world would continue to be done in US dollars. In simple terms, if a country wants to buy oil, it usually needs US dollars. And this system has helped keep the United States a global superpower. More recently, Donald Trump has called on several countries to send naval ships to help keep the Strait of Hormuz open. Even China has been invited to participate with the goal of protecting global trade and oil supplies.
This is the footage of an Iranian drone attack on a branch of the American Citibank in Dubai, carried out in response to the targeting of a bank in Iran. A Shahed 136 drone struck the skyscraper without any visible resistance from air defense systems. The real challenge now is the extinguishing of fire at such height. According to the Iranian Revolutionary Guard Corps, they have also attacked branches of American banks in Bahrain and the UAE in retaliation for the attacks on the Iranian State Bank in Tehran. This is not a production facility for the Shahed 136 drone in Iran or Russia. The drones are being manufactured in large numbers in China. The design of this drone is combat-proven and relatively simple, enabling low-cost production. The delta wing configuration, or flying wing design, is highly efficient, providing significant range and payload capacity. With China's vast manufacturing capabilities and industrial base, the cost of producing such drones can be even lower.
अमेरिका लगा हुआ है मैं तेल बेचूंगा, ईरान लगा हुआ है मेरे तो तेल के कुएं हैं, तेल तो मैं ही बेचूंगा। इजराइल कह रहा है मैं तेल के कुएं पे ही हमला कर दूंगा, तू कहां से तेल बेचेगा। इधर रशिया कह रहा है बेटा तेल का खेल तुम खेलो, तेल खाली रशिया बेचेगा। इधर नॉर्थ कोरिया कह रहा है मेरे को तेल से क्या लेना, मेरे को तो लड़ाई से मतलब है, करो फिर तुम्हें बताता हूँ तेल पे लड़ाई कैसे होती है। इधर पाकिस्तान कह रहा है तेल गया तेल लगाने, हमारे पे तो रोटी खाने के पैसे नहीं, तेल का अचार डालना है। अफगानिस्तान कह रहा है तेल को छोड़ो, ड्राई फ्रूट खा के पाकिस्तान को पेलूंगा, कमाल होगी। बलोचिस्तान कह रहा है तेल तूल तो बात की बात है, पहले पाकिस्तान के साथ खेल खेलो। और ट्रम्प को देखो आज तेल के चक्कर में उसकी खुद की बेल करानी मुश्किल हो पड़ी है। और अमेरिका कह रहा है बच्चे लड़ाई खत्म हो जाए, तेल तो मैं ही बेचूंगा। तो भाई क्या चल रहा है, तेल ले लो तेल ले लो, तेल लगाने गया तेल, यार तेल के चक्कर में तुमने सारी दुनिया को तेल लगा दी है। बंद करो ये तेल की गाड़ियां, स्यापा ही तेल का। ईवी की गाड़ियां चलाया करो, तभी कहता रहता हूँ मैं पिछले 5 साल से, और भैया ईवी की गाड़ी चलाओ, कम से कम ये तेल पे लड़ना तो बंद करेंगे। मैं तेल बेचूंगा मैं तेल बेचूंगा, पे तेल तब बेचोगे जब बचे रह जाओगे, साले एक दूसरे को उड़ा दोगे तो तेल बेचोगे किसको।